Are you feeling tired? Do you need a nap? Do you doze while doing normal things? That is a #1 sign of sleep apnea. Number 2 is you are snoring, or if you've got one of these Apple Watch Oura rings and it's telling you, hey, red flashing lights in the morning, you did not get any REM sleep, you were awake this much of the night, etc. Another one is weight. Dental-wise, we can look in your mouth. If we can't see your airway, it's very likely that something is going on. You either have a severe sleep disruption or there's a high likelihood that you have sleep apnea.